I'm Sebastian, and I will be presenting with Mathieu this evening, and we are very pleased to show you a little bit of what we've done with the Traceable original journalistic content. I'll be talking about business need and objectives, and Mathieu will talk a little bit more about methodology and findings, right? Okay. Let's do it? Okay. So for the business need, the digital world, in the digital world, sorry, articles are produced and distributed on a media platform, Travel. They go from search engines to social networks before ending up, in the best of cases, shared via a messaging application. If we can salute this great agility, we can also regret that the journey doesn't go smoothly. Indeed, it is known. An article loses its substance when it leaves its original digital setting, in this case, the media website. For instance, in 2K16, a study led by the University of Columbia revealed that 60% of shared content is not read. It is doubtful that little importance is attached to the author or the editorial staff or the issuing media. Needless to say that the existence of deontological rules is ignored. Yet those rules allow us to distinguish a journalistic content from any other, such as fake news, for example. Let us not go so far as to refuse the entertaining aspects of the latter, but let us recall here the weakness of its informative character. But quality information is the livelihood of the local press, whose digital business model is based on subscriptions. The question then we are trying to answer with HSSO is how can we distinguish and enhance the value of journalistic content beyond its original platform. Our assumption is that a label could be an answer, though our objectives are to understand the impact of the introduction of a label on the Swiss readership, identifying the economic potential linked to it, and finally, set up a secure authentication and traceability system for original content. Mathieu.
Thank you very much. Hi, everyone. I would like to thank you, Sébastien Arsan, and also the whole ECH media group for these contextual elements and also for the supporting us as a media partner. So, who has never chosen a press article according to the media that publish it? We all agree here that the media brand has a very, very important impact. Is it often visible on the website, but becomes more discreet on search engine and social media? They are the ones who manage the flows of online visitors. The project presented here is ongoing and follows an applied research methodology. We are interested here in how to build trust and valorize journalistic original content to fight fake news through a label. The case study is based on online written content. Yeah, not so fast. We start first to understand the readership behavior. So that's really important because when we speak about the label, this label has to be used. So we would like to understand the behavior of the readership. With some qualitative interviews that give us highly relevant results, we find like a wide divergence of opinion on the readership ability to assess the quality of information online. In this case, a label seems relevant. On the recommendation of the Scientific Advisory Board, we studied the various existing work, as you can see on the bottom of this slide, as like the TRESS project, also the GTI from Reporters Sans Frontières. We were also able to rely on the IMI network and especially Academy of Journalism of the University of Neuchâtel and the University of Geneva on sharing results, and we would like to thank them. One finding is this process diagram. It shows two different steps. The first one on the left and the second one on the right. The first one allows the media to follow existing label as trust project. These rules can improve the impact of the article online and improve the referenced online. Secondly, we have developed a unique tool to label a certain type of content using automated approaches. This approach provides guidance to editors on what to highlight. The label is then generated in accordance of the state-of-the-art standards of traceability and high security. Content labeling is not simple, as you can imagine, and must follow some criteria. So we have done like a huge state-of-the-art of the standards of the traceability, and we found like 6 different categories of this criteria. As you can see, transparency and funding, author, work method, nature of content, sources, interactivity. These criteria, we have challenged it with also with the editors and our media partners to feel if it's fit to the market or not. This is the first step, and then we conduct also as an IT research institute based in Valais. We have the experience on software development, and we developed a unique tool based on automated approaches and give us the power to editors to manage label. Each article is unique and can be traced. This functional prototype can be tested on our booth just behind, and we look forward to welcome you. Thank you.